Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is a key fob battery from a BMW 5 Series F10 and we will gonna replace the battery. So first remove the key blade pressing on that button from the key fob. It's very simple. Then you have to turn the key with the buttons facing down. Then insert the key blade or a flat blade screwdriver into that small hole from the right side to remove the cap. Gently push and lower the key blade inside until the cover comes off. There is a small tab that you have to push it and then lift it up. Now you can see the battery. To remove it, you have to use a flat blade screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver. So remove the old battery using a flat blade screwdriver. So this is a CR2450 battery that you can find it in the video description below. So then after you buy the battery, install the new battery back in the place. Then install the cover back on the key fob. Start from the front. And then put the key blade back on its place. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.